Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In this Excel tutorial, we will explore VLOOKUP in Excel. So here we have data, and we need quantity and price using VLOOKUP. We will find the quantity and price on base of product. Let's see how it's work. First of all, we need to find quantity. Type =, then type VLOOKUP function. Now he is asking for lookup value. In this case, value is cloth, because we are going to find cloth quantity, so type cloth. Then add comma. Now he is asking for table array, so this is our table array. Select these and type comma. Then column index number means which one we are going to find out. So we are going to find quantity. So the quantity is in which column? In this case, as you can see, quantity is available in column number 2. So we will type here 2, then add comma. Now, do you need approximate match or exact match? So you can choose any of them. I will choose exact match. Then close the bracket and press enter. As you can see, we got here quantity of cloth, which is 10. If you will drag this to here, you will see here others values too. Like and subscribe for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.